innovation originated from inheriting of excellence. Technique depends on maintaining the permanent superior position.
Reputation contributes to high brand value.
Technology creates past charming. Quality forges the future of the industry. As one of the excavator manufacturers with quickest development speed in the world, Carter Heavy Industry has constantly created one after another surplus based on the demand of customers. With the deposit of profound experience and intelligence in the area of excavator manufacturing, Carter will help you achieve the obvious upgrade in engineering efficiency and value. Shandong Carter Heavy Industry Company Limited is the authorized manufacturer of Carter Heavy Industry Group Incorporated of America, and the core-member company of Huasheng Zhongtian Group. The company is mainly specialized in the research, manufacturing, and sales of high-quality engineering machinery like a hydraulic excavator and heading machine used for coal mining. The company will also provide perfect solution for engineering machinery with focus on technology exploration and practice. Carter Heavy Industry has constantly dedicated to creation of much more safe, environmental-free, and reliable products, services, and solutions to the customers. Carter Heavy Industry win the future with quality. With the excellent product performance, delicate manufacturing technique, and sincere professional service, has won extensive trust and support from the customers. Quality, trust. Listen to the inner voice of the customer and understand the real demand of customers. Carter Heavy Industry has constantly focused on both the product quality and the interest of customers. The company has successfully introduced the international quality standard. The company has successfully passed the certification of ISO 9001 quality system, CE certification of EU. Implements the delicacy management for the production quality and full process quality control. The quality system have fully ensured the high reliability of the product performance, high standard component screening process, sincere and advanced assembly process, and careful quality inspection. Have created the superior performance and perfect quality of Carter Heavy Industry. Based on the abundant service experience and deep understanding of the demand, Carter Heavy Industry has conducted continuous design optimization and function improvement. The company has successfully launched many excellent products with superior performance including CT08, CT40, CT45, CT60, CT65, CT80, and CT85 series mini and small type hydraulic excavators, CT150, CT220, CT240, CT260, CT330, and CT360 series medium and large hydraulic excavators, and EBZ30 and EBZ35 series heading machines for coal mining. There are total more than 10 series and several dozens of product models. With the wide product scope, the customers could accurately and easily find a suitable product for them. The personalized demand of the customer could be fully met with our wide product range. The turbo supercharged engine with excellent performance will provide powerful driving force to the vehicles. Moreover, it has the features like low oil consumption, low noise, low